do we got this week?
What
do we got going on?
So we have subscribed to MEL or MEL. I don't know how they go by it. Chemistry sets.
So Mel chemistry sets. We got one of them.
We got one.
The first one comes with like the starter kit with all the stuff you need, and then we got some experimentation things.
Yeah. So
what are we working with?
We're gonna do a chemistry experiment this week, Tom, and it's called the tin hedgehog. This is a little infographic of what it is.
If you don't know what a hedgehog is, it's Sonic. He's blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So fun fact. Tin, Tom, on the periodic table of elements is abbreviated to SN, and that's short for Sonic. Yeah, exactly.
I learned that in chemistry.
Yeah. So we're gonna make a little tin hedgehog. I'm gonna walk you through it because
explain to me what the deal is.
Yeah, I did it before so that we would have one ready
to show.
So I'm gonna walk you through the procedure, Tom.
Well, walk them through the procedure.
I'm gonna walk. Yeah, that's true.
I'm just kidding.
Now, of course, oh god, we totally flubbed and we didn't do our beer chug safely
with our gloves.
Yeah, we have to put gloves and goggles on.
Well, for this one, yeah.
Yeah.
The beer, I mean, yeah, that's.
The beer, yeah. The worst thing that's gonna happen is you're gonna spill beer all over yourself, like I did. Now, Tom, I gave you the large gloves because I'm just that much of a nice guy.
Oh, thanks.
I took the small ones, so you know what I'm saying.
They're so annoying, then.
Yeah. So we'll throw the glovies on.
The way these smell, man. They just remind me of some weird old doctor or a dentist.
So we'll throw the glovies on. We'll throw the goggles on.
So what do we got? What do we got?
And we've got some agents here. We've got some chemical reactions about to occur. We've got sodium hydrogen sulfate, 10 milliliters of this bad boy. We've got some tin chloride in this guy. This is a little powder.
And these are all clear solutions, right?
Well, this is a clear solution. This is like a powder,
powdery one.
And we've got some zinc pellets here. Zinc is a metal.
Most of your coins are made of plated with zinc.
That's right.
Or on the outside, that's what makes them all nice and shiny.
Yeah. So first things first, we have to pour the sodium hydrogen sulfate into the tin chloride. Okay. So that's you're hands on. I'm just describing. You got to do it.
I got to do it.
Yeah. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to push down on the thing here and unscrew it.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Is it like a medicine bottle?
Kind of.
That kind of thing?
It's a little trickier than a medicine bottle.
Got it.
Okay. Next, you're going to want to take... Well, you can do that one too. Yeah.
Just open this guy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is tough stuff, man.
Science is hard, bro.
They don't want your babies eating your chemicals.
No, they don't. No, they don't.
Okay.
All right. So now you got both reagents open.
Okay.
I want you to take the paper clip here, and I want you to poke a little hole in the top of the in the top of the little guy there.
That opens it so it doesn't. Oh, okay, I see it.
Yep.
so it doesn't pour out on its own.
Correct.
And then we're adding We're
gonna add all of this guy here into this guy here. That's step one.
Step one.
Mm-hmm.
Can you guys see at home? I'm just adding solutions.
Just pouring it in. Is it going?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay.
All of it?
The whole thing. Don't be shy now, Tom.
Just like the Bud Light, the whole thing.
Just like the Bud Light.
Okay, we're good to go.
All right. Now we can close this guy back up with... Actually, no. We need to add a little dropper top to this container now. So that's just you're gonna just push that guy on so that it clicks. It's a little tough.
I'm not very strong. Okay.
All right.
I think I didn't hear it snap, but
oh, it's good. Okay. It's Gucci. Now you're gonna put this cap back on.
Okay.
And you're gonna give it a nice shake, Tom.
A shake.
Maybe about a minute of shaking.
A whole minute of shaking.
Woo, here we go. Shake
so
that
we
bad boy.
added sodium hydrogen sulfate.
Let me give you a little rundown on sodium hydrogen sulfate.
What is it? What's the deal?
Here are the hazards, Tom. With
if you
sodium,
were to just straight up drink it,
it causes serious eye damage. So you should wear protective gloves and protective clothing. That's actually not so bad. Sodium hydrogen sulfate, not the worst thing in the world for you.
No,
However,
it's not bad.
tin chloride,
Is
the little
no good.
powder, dude, check this out. Hazards. Causes severe skin burns and eye damage. May cause an allergic skin reaction. Harmful if inhaled. May cause respiratory irritation. Suspected of causing genetic defects.
Genetic defects.
Yeah. Suspected of damaging fertility or the unborn child. So I hope, I hope you're not pregnant. May
think so.
cause damage to organs through prolonged or repeated exposure. Very toxic to aquatic life with long-lasting effects. So
that's why we're wearing gloves.
that's why we're wearing gloves and goggles.
We're not paranoid.
Exactly.
Okay.
All right, you gave that a nice shake?
Yeah, we're shaking.
All right. So now the last thing I need you to do, Tom.
We're gonna add a little zinc pellet.
We're going to add... So first we're gonna undo the top on that guy.
Okay.
We're going to fill this clear little container up about halfway with that...
Oh.
All right.
Our top came
All
off.
right. That's okay.
I
Just,
can see it. but
yeah,
you
just
in.
pour it in there.
Who cares
fine.
about genetic defects, right?
Exactly.
No, we're good. Very, very... Actually, it's not going to pour out without it, I don't think.
You don't think so?
Actually, no, it will. I lied. I got it. Yep, we're good.
Okay.
You said about halfway?
Yeah, that's good. That's cool. All right. And then finally, Tom, we're gonna add a zinc pellet
Okay,
because
so now we have our solution. So what are we doing with the zinc pellet?
the zinc pellet is gonna turn into a hedgehog, a living, breathing mammal. No. What's gonna happen is
You
the
mind grabbing
zinc
one of
pellet.
those?
Yeah,
I'll
sure.
put the other ones back.
The zinc pellet is now going to be sort of a replacement, right? It's going to be like a substitution reaction here, and the tin is going to get replaced by the zinc, and it's going to crystallize along sort of these long kind of things here.
Okay.
So I'm going to drop
Just
this
drop
guy
it
in.
there.
Zoop, doop, doop, doop. And our reaction is going to progress slowly. According
Greetings
to
from Alabama, from Orange Moose. What's up?
hello, welcome. So this is going to take probably about an hour to really flesh itself out. So we're,
But guess what? We did it an hour ago, so we
Exactly.
can look at it.
Yeah. So Kyle is going to switch over to the webcam view over here, and we can take a look at.
That's how good we are at Science Never Brews. We have a webcam for our zinc pellet.
Dude, it's insane.
Come on.
Yeah, you can't get production value any better than this. So we can take a look at what that looks like.
So Kyle's going to show the shrimp. Cool.
I'm gonna show the fans out there what this pellet looks like after the reaction sort of takes place. And
So we just put a little circle of zinc into our solution that we mixed together, and it's going to grow these crazy crystals.
Yeah.
That's it?
and that's it.
Interesting.
Yeah. So it will be
It actually looks really sick on the stream.
Yeah.
I'm liking that.
it's pretty cool actually. It kind of occurs right away, and then the
My
sort
nose
of
is kind of slightly runny, but
Oh.
I'm scared to get sodium whatever it is in my nose. No, I'm good. I'm
you
good.
think those are genetic defects, dude?
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
Oh.
I think they might be. The spikes of this hedgehog are going to grow over time, so we'll be able to see them. Yeah, this is really cool actually.
Yeah, it looks sweet.
Tom, you're no stranger to hedgehogs.
Nash says it looks like it dropped a box of pins in there. It looks sharp, right?
Yeah.
Scared.
Looking sharp, dude.
Looking sharp.
Tom, do you remember the hedgehog grenade?
The hedgehog grenade from Resistance.
Yeah, tell me a little bit about it.
So it's basically a circle, and once it hits the ground, it would actually levitate up a little bit and then explode and shoot spikes all out of it.
I love
like
that.
a hedgehog.
I love that. Very cool. And
Zayden says put your hand on it, Kyle, if you don't mind poking it. No. Like we said, you're not going to want to put your finger in that solution. It's growing those crazy crystals, and you don't want to put your hand in there.
no way. So yeah,
So
that's
this one is kind of just a cool effect of crystallization, right?
pretty much. It's kind of like a cool thing that this particular metal can do in terms of
Zinc. Okay.
yeah, in terms of really the tin.
The
Actually.
tin, yeah.
The zinc is just there to kind of swap it out
To
a
swap,
little bit.
yeah.
And it's just kind of a neat little chemistry reaction.
Yeah, so in a lot of chemistry reactions, it's really cool. I don't know if you remember taking chemistry in high school, if you haven't taken it yet. Usually you get like a few letters plus a few letters, an arrow equals a few letters plus a few letters, and it's amazing to see like the reaction. Like you can look them up online. There's all kinds of reactions out there,
Oh yeah.
and you know, sure enough, they work every time. You know,
Yeah.
chemistry, it don't lie.
It don't lie. So we'll check back in with our little zinc.
So we'll follow ours. That one we
Hedgehog, our
did
tin
a little
hedgehog,
while
I'm sorry.
ago, and this
Yeah.
guy will stay up here the whole time.
Yeah, by the end of the show, it should have its own kind of crystal structure.
Cool.
Very cool.